All right, here we are. This is picanha coming out of the sous vide bath after being smoked, so it's ready to go. Um, I'm not gonna sear it because it really doesn't need it. And so I'm gonna slice it and I'm gonna make me a nice steak sandwich. Kind of it up, baby. Let's pull this baby out. Amazing juices. It smells amazing. Not gonna lie. So you gotta cut it against the grain. So I'm gonna be doing some diagonal slices, which should help. Cut that open. And that just looks wonderful. I'm on the outset. Moist, tender. If I squeeze it, look at the juice coming out. You can see the smoke ring right there. It's not huge, but it's there. The taste, absolutely wonderful. So, taste my slices. Bam. Now, I take the slices and I stuff the baby. So, gonna put that in there. Bam, bam, bam. Gotta love that, right? This is great. I'm gonna rebag it. Put it back in the bag. Look at that. Yeah, I'm happy. Whoa. Trying to injure myself. Some melted cheese. It's got some peppers in it. Yeah. Yeah. That looks, to me, amazing. Might not look amazing to you. Ooh, an escapee. I'm gonna dip it. Oh yes. This is, oh yes. That is amazing. What is this mess you say? Yeah, don't do that anymore. That was me cooking this wrong. So this really can't withstand that temp, which is bad on me. But okay, live and learn. Should have swapped bags. This is onions and peppers, all the good stuff. Cooked, reduced, and almost a friggin' jam. So that is looking wonderful. I'm gonna put sriracha on everything. A little ketchup. May not be your thing. It is mine. A little sriracha. So, cheesesteak. Yes, it's sloppy. But that's because it looks so delicious. That looks, to me, like that's amazing looking bite. Okay, that's frightening how good that is. That is literally frightening how good that is. Oh, yeah. Okay. That wins. That wins all my awards. Mm. Mm. It might not win the prettiest award, but it can definitely F with the tastiest award. Mm. Oh yeah, that is work. Mm. Oh, cheesesteak on croissant, steak sandwich, cheesy steak on croissant. However you like to describe it. That's got unreal flavor. Mm.